How's it going, guys? Today we're just doing a quick unboxing of this Bulova watch that I got. I got this from Watchgang. If you don't know, Watchgang is a subscription service for watches, wherein you pay a little bit every month, and they send you a watch monthly, and you'll never know what you get. So what I did is I used their point system instead, so that I'll remain a member, but I keep on accumulating points, wherein um, once I have enough points, and I can use them in their shop or also in their wheel spins. I got this from a wheel spin. Once I saw it on the wheel, I immediately got it. And yeah, it's just around $560 equivalent if you convert the points. So yeah, here's the box. If you want, by the way, the link for watchgang, check out my comments or description below, so that you'll get free points. At the same time, I get my free points. All right, so here's the box. It's just a regular Bulova box. Yeah, but it's sturdy box there, and here it is. Here's the Bulova watch, and this is the retro reissue of an iconic dive watch. This is the Bulova Oceanographer snorkel, and it's dubbed the Devil Diver. It's called a Devil Diver because of that printed 666 feet for diving depth. So let's take a look on the watch. Remove it from the pillowcase. So it's just a regular buckle there. If you've been collecting Seiko Citizens, it's just a normal buckle. And here's the watch, blue dial, beautiful blue dial. The hands are stubby. We have orange accents, and it looks like, look at that Cyclops. That's an internal Cyclops, guys. It's not external. Side profile, it has polished case, sign crown, and stainless steel buckle. Bracelet. Yeah, it's a pillowcase, but it's shorter than the Seiko Turtle, right? So it's a 44 millimeter diameter, and lug to lug is 46, so not bad. So it's SRP is $795. The price I got is around $560 equivalent with my points. That's a model number 96B321. Okay, now back to the watch. I really like the look on this. So if you're into retro watch look, it has sapphire glass instead of mineral, but the AR coating is not that good. I'm still seeing some reflections, but I don't mind. Supposedly like that, right? All right, so let's take out the stickers, and we're back, guys. Really loving the look on this. Yes, polished case, 20mm lug width. Diameter is 44, lug to lug 45, sign crown and screw down crown. Has heft to it, so let's give it life. So it's screw down crown, good for diving. You can use this. This is a tool watch, so we can use it diving. As you can see, there's the 666 feet, that's the Devil Diver moniker. So let's spin it a bit, give it some life, give it some juice. And I think it's using a Miota movement. Not sure, we're gonna have to check on that. So regular buckle, signed buckle though. Polished side links, center link is brushed. Case is, you know, polished, so it's a fingerprint magnet. Let's check some bezel action here. It has 120 clicks, has good feel to it, good sound, not bad for a sub 600 watch, right? So I think the bezel has, I'm not sure if it's also sapphire glass or just acrylic, but it looks like sapphire. Not bad at all. Let's try it on the wrist. I haven't sized it yet, but it's looking good on my wrist. I have a small wrist, so not bad, Bulova. I'm gonna try on some different straps later on, and I'll just show you guys a quick look. Some suggested straps, I guess. Alright, I'll be back later. Alright, so I put it on this vintage strap, just a sample. Looks good. Right, feels good on the wrist. I have a smaller wrist size and it's still okay for my wrist, so alright, I'll show you a loom shot after this. Loom shot, guys. Looks good. Looks like these are applied indices. Looks like it gives a 3D effect, and it has good loom. Thanks, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.